Hi everyone, this is Louisa, the Eat Right Chef. In this series, I'm going to talk about the myths surrounding healthy eating. There are two major myths. One is that eating healthy is extremely expensive, and the second is that cooking for health is both tricky and time-consuming. And in this series, I'm going to bust those myths. Today, I'm going to focus on the cost. The myth that eating healthy is very expensive. Well, everything is relative and it's all about priority. When it comes to eating healthy, most people would think about buying organic, and then the image of a certain organic grocery store comes to mind, and then maybe you will think about spending your whole paycheck on organic food. Well, organic food is of course more expensive than conventionally grown food, but it doesn't necessarily have to eat up your whole paycheck. Now, I'm sure most of you would like to go out and eat in restaurants or fast food joints from time to time, and let's try this. Within a month, calculate how much money you spend on eating out and also ordering in, and use that same amount of money and go to an organic grocery store and see how much food you can buy with that and how many meals that will give you, and you will get a good idea of how eating healthy compares with eating out, where most of the food offered in restaurants, to be honest, is not organic because of the cost factor. And the second thing I want to talk about is the long-term benefits of eating healthy. Maybe short-term, it's easier to just order takeout, go to a fast food joint, or go to a restaurant. But think about what it does to your health. A lot of chronic long-term diseases or serious illnesses come from eating the wrong food, junk food and fake food, which occurs in all the processed food out there, and also in restaurants, and food that is not healthy for you. So if you think about that, eating healthy is actually like an insurance for your health. And instead of spending a lot of money on medical bills in the future, you are insuring yourself against serious diseases. That's a lot more expensive than spending money on organic food and healthy food. At the end of the day, it's really about priority. Do you value your health? What do you value? If you value your health, then put it on the top of your priority list. And as anything, if you have a hobby that you love or something that you really enjoy doing, you would always put aside certain budget for that or hobby or that activity, right? So treat health this way, treat your food this way, and if it's number one importance in your life, which I hope it is, then you should set aside your budget and don't skimp on it, because if you are stingy about your food, you're stingy about your health, and there will be a consequence in the future. So think about it. Think about where you put your money. So after this video, I hope that I have inspired you to take the long view when it comes to health and given you some food for thought. In the next episode, I'm going to give you some practical tips on how to save money, even when you buy organic and if you want to eat healthy. So stay tuned. Please like this page, or if you don't want to miss any notification, join my private Facebook group. The link is below this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.